A few months ago, Sony registered two high-end camera models in China. One of them is the Sony a7S III, but the identity of the second camera remains unknown. It's possible that the second camera could be the A7S IV, as the current A7S III is the oldest full-frame camera after the A92. We have previously shared various leaked details about this camera, and in this video, we will discuss additional confirmed information about the A7S IV's sensor. Stay till the end to find those out. We already have some confirmed information about the Sony a7S IV specifications. It will feature a full-frame exmor CMOS sensor with 24.2 megapixels, a significant upgrade from the A7S III's 12.1 megapixels. To handle this, the A7S IV will be equipped with a Bionz XR processor and the latest AI processing unit found in the A7R V. This combination will enable a camera to shoot 4K videos at 120 FPS. There was initial uncertainty about whether the 24.2 megapixel sensor could record in 6K or 8K. But now we have confirmation that the A7S IV will come with a 6K sensor, allowing for raw video recording and oversampled 4K video without any cropping. What's even more exciting is that the Sony a7S IV is rumored to be the first camera to feature a new dual-layer transistor pixel stack sensor, similar to the one used in the Xperia smartphone. This innovation theoretically results in a signal-to-noise ratio that is twice as good as that of the Sony a7S III, leading to a wider dynamic range and cleaner images. Speaking of the dynamic range, it will be the highest ever on any alpha camera. Basically, the term dynamic range refers to the contrast ratio between the darkest and brightest portions of an image ranging from pure black to the brightest. Compared to the human eye, even the most advanced digital cameras can only capture approximately half the range. If Sony can actually pull it off, it'll be historic for the manufacturer, to say the least. Given the camera's typical aspect ratio, it's likely to employ a sensor with around 24 million pixels. The inclusion of a dual-layer sensor in the A7S IV has generated excitement regarding the potential improvements in image quality, particularly in low-light and high-sensitivity shooting conditions. For those not familiar with this technology, Sony has already implemented it in their Xperia 1-5 smartphones. This dual-layer design separates the light-sensing layer from the signal conversion layer, which allows for better light detection and more efficient signal conversion. As a result, the camera is expected to offer significantly improved photosensitivity and noise reduction capabilities. Aside from these features, the Sony a7S IV will also include dual-gain ISO and timecode supports, allowing you to use two different film stocks within the same camera. Additionally, the A7S IV camera will feature a log4 gamma and a display assist function integrated into the system to assist users during post-production. One notable enhancement will be the latest stabilization system offering 5-axis image stabilization with in-body image stabilization, or IBIS, of up to 8 stops. This system incorporates a high-performance gyro sensor and an optimized algorithm for more precise shake control. The electronic viewfinder will receive an upgrade boasting a 3.68 million dot resolution and 120 FPS refresh rate, surpassing the capabilities of the A7S III. Moreover, the 3-inch tilting LCD monitor is well suited for filmmakers, and the dual UHS 2 SD card slots ensure maximum recording time. The A7S III was released in 2020, and the previous generation, A7S II, came out in 2016. Considering the usual timeline, we can expect the A7S IV to be introduced next year, possibly in the first quarter of 2024. The A7S II was initially priced at $3,500, but given the current global challenge and inflation, it's likely that the launch price of the A7S IV will increase, possibly reaching a range below $4,500. We can only hope that this higher price will be justified by the value Sony brings to this new alpha camera. That's all for today. Thanks for watching the video. Like and share it with your friends if you find it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.